To download and install the Phantom Wallet app, start by opening the App Store on your device. Either the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Phantom Wallet in the search bar and select the app from the search results. Once you have found the Phantom Wallet app, click on the Install or Get button to begin the download process. Depending on your device and internet connection, this may take a few seconds or minutes to complete. After the app has finished downloading, click on the Open button to launch the Phantom Wallet app. You will be presented with the option to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are new to Phantom Wallet, select the Create New Wallet option. You will then be asked to create a password and agree to the terms of service. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to protect your wallet. You will also be given the option to back up your wallet using a seed phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to your device. It is highly recommended that you back up your wallet using the seed phrase, as this will ensure that you can recover your funds in case your device is lost or stolen. Write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a locked cabinet. Once you have completed the setup process, you will be able to use the Phantom Wallet app to manage your cryptocurrency and interact with decentralized applications. The app provides a user-friendly interface and a range of features, including the ability to send and receive cryptocurrency, view your transaction history, and manage your account settings. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to keep your device and app up to date, and be cautious when interacting with unfamiliar websites or applications. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication, which will add an extra layer of security to your wallet. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can easily download and install the Phantom Wallet app and start using it to manage your cryptocurrency.